Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will show you how to use the EUROLUX air conditioner remote control. This is on-off button of the air conditioner. With itself we can turn our air conditioner on and off. We use the mode button to change the mode of the air conditioner. The air conditioner has 5 modes: heating, auto, cooling, drying, and fan. Since most users use the air conditioner for cooling purposes, I will explain how to use this mode first. We press the mode button, and when the snowflake icon appears on the screen, the air conditioner is considered to have switched to cooling mode. In cooling mode, we recommend setting the air conditioner temperature setting to 22-24 degrees Celsius. If you want the air conditioner to save electricity, it is recommended to set the temperature above 24 degrees Celsius. We use the fan speed button to change the fan speed of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. You can select a low speed so that the fan sound does not disturb you in the bedroom. We press the mode button and a water drop icon appears on the screen. This is a drying mode and is designed to reduce the humidity in the house. When the mode button pressed again, the fan icon appears on the screen. In this mode, the air conditioner works as a regular fan. When the mode button is pressed again, the sun symbol appears on the screen. This is the heating mode. In heating mode, we set the temperature of the air conditioner above 26 degrees Celsius. When you want to save electricity, 26 degrees Celsius can be selected. Setting the air conditioner's fan speed to auto fan speed mode in heating mode allows the air conditioner to work more efficiently, because in this case the air conditioner's fan speed will be selected by the microprocessor according to the condensation temperature. For this reason, the air conditioner's evaporator will freeze only when the air temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. To switch to auto fan speed mode, the fan speed button is pressed several times, and when the word fan auto appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to this mode. We press the mode button again, and the word auto appears on the screen. This is the air conditioner's auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner always tries to maintain the temperature in the room around 24 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is lower than this indicator, the air conditioner will operate in heating mode, and if it is higher, the air conditioner will operate in cooling mode. We press the mode button again and return to cooling mode. Now we will explain how to use the other button of the air conditioner. This button is used to raise the temperature, and this one is used to lower it. Here we see a sleep button. Sometimes it happens that we set the temperature to 22 degrees Celsius when we lie down in bed. In this case, we recommend that you press this sleep button. When the sleep button is pressed, a crescent and a star symbol appears on the screen. Each time this button is pressed, the number 1, 2, 3 appears on the screen. This is the hour setting of the sleep button, sleep mode. That is after how many hours the air conditioner will raise the temperature by 1 degree. When you press the turbo button, this symbol appears on the screen. In this mode, the air conditioner intensifies cooling for 15 minutes. After this period, it returns to previous fan mode. To exit this mode, we press the same button again. With the help of the swing button, it is possible to move the blinds. This air conditioner has two swing buttons. Each time this swing button is pressed, the horizontal blinds change their position by 6 degrees, and it is possible to see how they are positioned on the screen. After pressing this button several times, the blinds will move continuously up and down. If your air conditioner has vertical blinds, this swing button can be used to move them and stop them in any position. To set the clock of the air conditioner, the timer and clock button is held down for 2 seconds and we see that the clock flashes. First we set the hour using the temperature buttons, and then we press the clock button again to set the minutes. After that, we press the clock button again. Now I will explain the timer mode. Sometimes it happens that we want our air conditioner to turn off after operating in a certain mode for several hours. For example, if we want the air conditioner to turn off after 5 hours, then we press the timer button and set it to 5 hours. 5 hours off appears on the screen. Our air conditioner will turn off after 5 hours. To exit this mode, we reset the timer with the help of the same button. Or we go to work at 8 in the morning and we want the air conditioner to cool our house until we get home. If our air conditioner turn on at PM 5, then it will cool our house until PM 6. If we want our air conditioner to turn on after 8 hours while it is turned off, for example, then we press the timer button and set it to 8 hours. 8 hours on appears on the screen. To exit timer on mode, we reset the timer with the same button. Thank you for following us until the end.